Jericho Rosales, proud na proud bilang boyfriend ni Janine Gutierrez. She's the recipient of my growth. Mukhang all-in na talaga si Echo pagdating sa love. Sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, game na sinagot ni Jericho ang tanong kung kumusta siya bilang boyfriend. I think I'm an amazing boyfriend. She says that all the time. She says that I'm so lucky. Sagot niya habang nakangiti. Aminado rin ng aktor na hindi siya perpektong boyfriend. Marami raw siyang pagkakamaling natutunan mula sa mga past relationships niya. Pero ngayon daw, lahat ng aral na yun ay ibinubuhos niya kay Janine. I think right now, I'm pouring all of the lessons into this relationship. Janine is the recipient of my humility, my honesty, and my excitement for sharing great things together. And the maturity. I think yun. That's why maybe she enjoys the 10-year gap, ani Jericho. Ibinahagi rin niya na napaka-healthy ng relationship nila ni Janine. I'm so lucky cause she's also a great actress and we both know and understand our jobs. Dagdag pa ng aktor. Matatandaang si Jericho ay dati nang ikinasal kay Kim Jones, isang Filipino beat fashion designer. Ngunit naanal ang kanilang kasal noong 2019. Sa ngayon ay abala si Jericho sa mga press interviews para sa Quezon, isang historical biopic kung saan ginagampanan niya ang papel ng dating Pangulong Manuel L. Quezon. Mukhang blooming at inspired talaga si Jericho, both in love and in his career.